Introducing the S55 Rear Brake Caliper. Designed from the ground up to be efficient, durable and strong, this caliper is available in various anodized colors, making it highly resistant to corrosion and abrasion. Designed with focus in its efficiency, it features a large 32mm piston together with a floating caliper design, making it most suitable for small-sized rotors. To achieve increased durability, the single-piece forged monoblock provides strength to the overall body, increases the rigidity and braking stability. The reinforced emboss reduces the overall weight of the caliper while providing sufficient support for the piston. Compact and lightweight in its design, the S55 Rear Brake Caliper remains as an efficient braking system for your machine. Being strong and together with its highly durable construct, S55 Rear Brake Caliper will give you the confidence you need on the road.